Hey guys, this is David from INGCO Product Department. After watching our last video on INGCO spray gun, I'm sure that many of you have purchased and used our Liston spray gun. This time, let's talk about how you should maintain your Liston spray gun. Airbrush care has always been an annoying but unavoidable problem, especially airbrush cleaning, because timely cleaning can greatly prevent the paint from clogging and prolong the service life of the machine. But this spray gun simplifies cleaning. Quickly change nozzles, gun bodies, and spray cans without additional tools, making the previously tedious process of disassembling and cleaning faster. Look, we just need to press the clutch switch on the top to quickly pull out the gun body, and then we unscrewed the nut and accessories such as the nozzle. Finally, the watering can is rotated and removed, and the cleaning can be completed, which is very convenient. In order to avoid residues, we can also inject clean water into the watering can to spray after cleaning to ensure that the paint in the machine has been cleaned up. Finally, after everything is cleaned up, we want to keep the machine as flat as possible to avoid damage to the motor caused by the return of residue liquid. Alright, I hope we made it clear with the demonstration. Looks pretty handy, right? Next time, we will give you another demonstration on the working environment for this spray gun. If there is anything you would like to know, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below.